Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to disable full screen optimization in Windows 10 so you can improve your game performance and fix app issues. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. This box allows you to quickly open programs, folders, and Windows settings by typing commands. Step 2. Type regedit into the Run dialog and press Enter. This will open the Registry Editor, which is a powerful tool that stores Windows settings and configurations. Step 3. In the Registry Editor, navigate to HKey current user, then System, and then Game Config Store. This folder contains settings related to gaming and system performance. Step 4. Right-click on the Game Config Store folder, select New, and then click on DWORD, 32-bit. Value. This lets you create a new setting that can control features like full screen optimization. Step 5. Name the new DWORD game DVR-DSE behavior and press Enter. This name is required because Windows recognizes this specific value to control full screen optimizations. Step 6. Double-click on Game DVR-DS behavior and set its value to 0 to disable full screen optimizations. If you ever want to enable it again, you can change the value to 2. Step 7. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. Restarting ensures that the changes take effect properly and your system applies the new settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.